What is going on, Pyros? Coming at you with some WINDA action, fantastic beasts, and where are you gonna find them? 16 shots, gold willow, color tips and strobing or crackling pistols, fantastic break. So it's gonna be color tips with strobing or crackling pistols. Ooh, we got a surprise in every box. So, there you go. So it's supposed to look like coming out. So I'm guessing we got what? Some red and green color tips. 35 seconds approximate. There's your colors, your height, 195 feet. Straight up, 9 out of 10 noise, 1.5 inch caliber, huh? Let's pop that hood and see. Oh, we do got some big tubes in here. 16 shots of 1.5 inch tubes coming at you from WINDA Fireworks, the fantastic beast, and we're about to find them. So, it's your boy Rob. I'll see you in the comments down below. Thumbs up, thumbs down. We'll find out soon, won't we?
He's not going to try to touch it because I'm standing right here.
Fantastic beast, and where to find them? Any Harry Potter fans out there will know that.
Oh, yeah.
That rocked.